Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you arbitrage trade on Kucoin. And if you remember, as I told you guys, once you see people that are making sell and buying on various PM, that means people are making money on this trade. If you don't have a Kucoin account, I'm going to leave a link in the video description so you'll be able to create account with Kucoin. So first you need to do is come over here and search MKR. Over here you need to check this pair, each pair where you need to buy and sell. So right here, if you see MKR, this pair, they are selling this coin around here, around 670 right here, and you'll be able to sell this on USDT pair. But you need to check first before you decide buying it somewhere and buying and selling it another pair. You have to come over here to this die and go around this buy. After coming to this buy over here, you'll be able to buy this coin around here at 670.79 cents, but you have to wait. There are not a lot of liquidity over here, so you won't be able to buy this immediately. And you see, there are a lot of people, they make this order to buy around this place. So what I told you the other time is like, if people are not making money with this trade, they won't be here. So, and if you want to do this, make sure you do your own research and you know what you are doing. And right now you have to check this other pair again, MKR, and you check this Ethereum pair. Right now on Ethereum pair, this is being sold around 671. And one thing you have to do is go back and go with this die pair, this over here. Then you have to press this. After pressing this, you have to buy. Once you buy this one of this coin over here at around 670.90 cent dollar, right here, you will have to buy, exchange your USDT to die over here. Then you buy. After buying, make sure you do your own research. Then you check this over here and you know the condition of this price. As you can see over here, you see this price is in reverse trend. Right here, the price come from here to this down, and around this 298.9 cents, the price reverse to around up again. So right here, you know, maybe this coin is in downtrend. Maybe you can do this kind of arbitrage on Kucoin or not. Remember, you get this around this price, then you just have to go to this pair. You have to press this again, and you go to this this price. Then you have to press one worth of this coin, and you'll be making $4 on this trade, and you'll be able to sell this immediately. Remember, you have to wait a little bit to buy with the DAI pair. But with this USDT pair, there are a lot of people are willing to buy this coin on this pair, so you don't have to wait a lot. And for you to be able to not pay a lot of fees on this trade, I'm going to show you how to pay less fees on this trade with KCS. So with this kind of trading, you'll be making 4.52 cents. 4.52 cents. Then I'm going to show you how to pay less fees on this kind of trading. You have to come over here, and on this pay 20% off on trading fee. So you'll be using KCS to pay your trading fee. Then you have to buy this coin into your normal spot wallet, and you'll be able to use this to pay fees on any of your trading fees on this kind of trading. Then you don't have to pay more, you have to pay less in terms of trading. So since you'll be swapping token on this kind of strategy on Kucoin, so you have to buy this KCS, so you don't have to pay a lot of fees swapping this coin up and down. With this, you'll be able to make this kind of profit you see over here, and make sure you do your own research. I will leave a Telegram group link in the video description, so make sure you join the group. The reason why I create this Telegram group is there is this concept of buying token sales, but with $100 or $20 or $50, you won't be able to buy token sales and make a lot of profits, because people are making a big amount of money with buying just token sales. So, but for you to be able to buy token sales, you have to have a lot of capital. There is something they call VC in crypto industry. This VC normally buy a startup, a new project. So they can buy one coin at around 1 cent, and when this coin launch, they can this coin can go up like $100. So $100, this VC will be receiving their coin maybe quarterly or every month or stuff like that. So with this kind of profit, we will be sharing this with the community, and we just have to grow together with the community, and everybody can be VC if we come together and make this community, this project works. And we are going to be having an NFT and token also on this community to vote on purpose or which coin to buy or stuff like that. That's the goal of creating the Telegram group, and to make money together with the community that we want. I just want to make this project community based. Make sure you check the link in the video description, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell.